am the author of One Day at a Time.
Fine, can you introduce yourself?
Yeah. Hi, I am Pine Tilokani and I am 15 years old. I study in 10th standard at Delhi Public School, Vadodara, and I am the author of One Day at a Time, and I have decided to take commerce in 11th standard.
Fine, what inspired you to write this book?
I got inspired by my own fear to write this book. Like, I have a fear of death, which can also be known as thanatophobia. It is a fear when you think more about death and you get scared by it a lot, by the thought of it. So I used to think about it more. It gave me panic attacks and all. So instead of just thinking and overthinking about it, I started to write it all down in a paper. And then it felt that it was easier that way. Instead of just keeping it in my head, it was easier to keep it in the paper. So I wrote more and more about it every day. Whatever I felt, I used to write about it. So that way I got inspired to write this whole book, like the idea of how we should not be scared of death.
Fine, how did you go about writing and publishing your book?
So basically, first I used to just write quotes and poems, and I even got my quotes published in an anthology called Stickies. And as the time went, I also took part in different open mic competitions, and I used to then started writing poems, and then I wanted to publish my own solo book. Like I wanted a book to be just like the what I have written, as I read a lot of books. So then I started writing the whole format of my book, like how I want the book. And when it was all done, I contacted a publisher from Instagram, and that way I went about publishing my book.
Fine, how did you go about with the cover design and coming up with the title of the book?
The title of the book I came up with by because I was thinking a lot about the title, like what should be the title. I first thought of it as keeping just life and death, but then I wanted it to be more, more philosophical or more going into a different idea. So I then read all my write up and came up with that we should all live like one day at a time. We all worry about what will happen tomorrow or what happened in the past, but I thought that we should all just live in the present. That's how I came up with one day at a time. We should live like one day at a time. And about the cover designing, I was given some options. It was a link I was given, and from that I had to find the cover page. So I decided to take the cover page as a playground, a swing, a cover page, because I think life is like a playground. We all play in it, and it's also like a swing. Like you go back and you go forward, but you don't stop it. We all have fun in going back as well as forward. So that's I got inspired a lot about that cover page. So I chose it.
Fine, how did Little Genius help you in your journey of writing this book?
I joined Little Genius when I was in senior KG, and I continued it till I was in 5th standard. So mainly all my childhood I spent there only. Janet ma'am was my favorite, obviously. She is really sweet and she taught me grammar and English, and we all had a lot of fun there. And it made the base of my grammar really strong. The main grammar I learned there only, and after that I became more better at it. And till this date also Janet ma'am helps me whenever I need. She's always there, and it was a really great class to be in. It was like fun for students and also a way to learn knowledge very nicely.